Hello, guys, and welcome to Glide by Prepeef. So, today I want to talk about something very important, much more important than Duolingo, if I tell you, because to be very honest, Duolingo, IELTS, right, all these things are just a part of the process, right? End of the day, everyone manages to do these, right? That you might not get the score in your first attempt, you might get it in your second attempt. I really wish that you get your score in the first attempt and you get your visas in the first attempt and all those things. But to be very honest, everyone gets a visa, and even beyond the visa, everyone passes or graduates from the course as well, right? Some of the students struggle with a course, they change their course. Those are the things that keep happening, but everyone manages to graduate from the course, right? And everyone manages to get a PR, right? So, some students ask me, sir, suggest a course that is good for PR. Every course is good for PR. I will tell you why, okay? Every student, I haven't heard about a single student who went to Canada and he had to come back because Canada didn't offer him settlement options. I have heard stories about Australia, I have heard stories about UK, okay, but I haven't heard a single story about Canada. If you have heard about one, please post it in the comment box, enlighten me as well. And we might teach each other something, that okay, this is a case that can happen as well. So we can obviously suggest each other better things. But today I want to tell you how you should be choosing a course, and how you should do the course research at your end, okay? And where does a consultant come into play? I am gonna clear all these doubts today. So let us have a so let's quickly talk about it. Number one, always prefer a course with a co-op, okay? Now what's a co-op? Co-op is a term in your course, a term you can call it a semester in your course, in which you get to work at a Canadian company full time, okay? And you get paid almost 80% of the salary of a full-time employee. Like in India, there are internships, right? That if the actual salary is 50,000 rupees, in an internship you will be getting 7,000 rupees. It's not the case in a co-op. In case of co-op, if the actual salary is 5,000, then you will be getting 3,800 or 4,000. That's how it is, okay? Now, what is the importance of this co-op? The colleges really work hard to ensure that you get a co-op, okay? And it is considerably easier to get a co-op as compared to getting a job as a fresher, right? Even in India, as a fresher you struggle, right? So it is going to be the same everywhere. Right now, a co-op is going to give you that entry, a backdoor entry to a Canadian company. Now, this 4 months co-op or this 8 months co-op is basically gonna add Canadian experience to your profile. Now, when you will be going in the job market, you will be having some Canadian experience as compared to any other fresher. And in Canada, the Canadian experience carries a lot of value, okay? They give a huge importance to your Canadian experience. So if you have that 4 months or even 8 months of Canadian experience, that is gonna be wonderful for you. Now, one very important thing, if I talk about co-op itself, not all courses have co-op, okay? There are a few courses that have co-op, and they are very competitive as well in colleges and universities everywhere. But if you get if you are applying in time and you see a course that has a co-op, always go for a course with co-op, okay? And if I actually tell you, in most of the cases, the company where you are co-oping, right, the company where you are working as a co-op, they generally absorb you, okay? So if you perform well there, they would be more than happy to hire you, right? So it makes your life really easy as far as your job hunt is concerned. Done. This was the very first thing about co-op. Now, just in case you don't get a course with co-op, or in case you get a course with a co-op, right? Let's say that you get a course with a co-op. uh, in both the cases, let me tell you how I personally do research, okay? And some of the students who I really like, that is how I research for them, right? If I know their story and I know that, okay, it is very crucial for them to be finishing the course and getting a good job, so I will tell you how I basically guide them. Number one, Canada has two websites, right, that they use all the time. The Canadians use all the time. Now, let us just imagine that we have graduated. We have finished the course in the course that we are planning to go to. We have finished that, right? Now, what is the first thing that you're gonna do? You will be looking for jobs, right? Where are you gonna be looking for those jobs? It's gonna be at two places. Number one, indeed.ca. Number two, LinkedIn. Okay, how we are going to use these two platforms right now to do our course research is, so let me show my screen, right? I am going to go on indeed.ca, right? When I will be finishing my course, what is the first thing that I will be doing? I will be going to indeed.ca, and then I will basically be going to search for the co-op opportunities for the course that I am planning to go for, right? So let's say I'm going for a course as a business analyst. I will search for business analyst co-op. Okay, I just searched for it. Okay, I see that there are some opportunities that are available, right? That okay, there's a for sales analyst co-op. It just got posted. Then there's a business analyst co-op at TD Innovation Lab, TD Bank, like one of the biggest banks in Canada, right? It was posted 7 days ago. There's a BA opportunity at Electronics Arts. It's in the game, right? So if you know, all the people remember that cricket game in which we used to hit six sixes in every over, right? Cricket 2007. So all those memories. So right, this particular company, Electronic Arts, is also offering a co-op. Okay, this company is offering a co-op opportunity as well. It was posted 14 days ago, right? So the main thing is that I see, right, Royal Bank of Canada, right? So it is one of, yet again, the biggest bank of Canada, I must say. So it is also offering a co-op opportunity, right? So obviously, you know what all these things mean is that okay, there are good enough co-op opportunities available for, if when I will finish this course. Now, just in case it is not a co-op course, right, the one that you are going for, right? So let us take the example of a course, let's say construction project manager, right? Construction project manager. Now I see that okay, there's a job posting that was posted today, then there's a 3 days ago, then there's just posted, then there's one 4 days ago. This is configuration manager, sorry. Then there's one posted 30 days ago, 12 days ago, right? This is business analyst is hot. Everyone is applying, I think. Everyone just needs a business analyst. Project coordinator is something different, right? Construction project manager. Now what I see is that there are not many construction project management jobs, right? So perhaps I would want to go deep into it, that what exactly would I get out of, when I will be completing that course, right? So this is one way how you can research. Just imagine yourself to have completed that course. Once you have completed that course, you would be looking for jobs. So let's look for jobs. That, do you see a lot of opportunities, right? If you see, great. If you don't see, dig deeper, right? Look for more courses. Now let me give you an example. So there's a very nice course at Conestoga College, IT business analyst, right? It is a 16 months course. It has a co-op. What I will do is I will go on LinkedIn and I will search for the same course. Okay, Conestoga College IT business analyst. Now I will see all the people who have completed this course, right? So let's just open this profile. Okay, let's open this profile and let's see that okay, what this person is doing right now. So first of all, so sorry to this person for breaching his privacy a little bit, but it's a public platform anyway, right? So let's see that okay, what this person is doing today. So this person has finished this course from Conestoga College in 2017. Great. So now this person is basically working as a business systems analyst at a company, right? Now that means that okay, this person got a good output, right? That this person finished the course and he is working in the same profile for which the course was meant for, right? Then let us look for some more people, right? Let's look at this person. So this person finished the same course in basically in 2019 itself. Now this person is order support specialist. Okay, now this person is working here right now as an order support specialist. I'm not very sure what is that, but perhaps maybe it is something related to business analysis or not. I'm not very sure, right? So I will just look for some more profiles before I can be sure about it, right? So this person is working at Bell, right? So Bell is one of the best companies to work for, I must say. So the person has completed the course in 2019 and the person is working at Bell in 2020, right? So, I know now that this is a good course, that this is a course that can give me a good output, right? That now I know that, okay, I can be confident about it. So, I am 110% sure about it. No one in the world would tell you these things, okay? Because no one really does these things, right? I did these things personally for myself. I do these things for some of the students that I really like, okay? So, you know, go deep like this. That is how you should be making a career choice. Yes, so my fellow Indians, my fellow Pakistani brothers, my fellow Pakistani sisters, my fellow Indian sisters, my fellow Bangladeshi brothers and sisters, my fellow um, Nepali brothers and sisters, right? My fellow African brothers and sisters, and anyone and everyone who comes from a country, for most of the people here, it is a dream to just go abroad, right? To just go and study in a developed country and to settle there. That is our dream, right? Let me tell you one thing, okay? Your parents have worked very hard to ensure that you get good education, okay? Your parents have cut down on their personal expenses to ensure that you get good education. They haven't worked so hard to just look at you working in menial jobs throughout your life. Your parents haven't worked so hard so that you're working at Walmart throughout your life. I don't mean that it is a bad job, okay? But think beyond that. Your parents have worked really hard. You have no idea how much effort they have put. I come from a very humble, a very middle class family. I know, right? I know how difficult it is to afford education abroad. Our parents put almost 60-70% of their life savings into us. They are investing into us. It is your job, it is your duty to ensure them a return. Okay? It is important for you to ensure them a return. Buying an iPhone is not a return. Okay? Buying a car is not a return. Everyone can do that. Getting a PR is not a return. Everyone gets the PR. But getting a good job, setting something up of your own, doing something, even I am struggling right now. I will be very honest, on a public platform, even I am struggling, okay? I'm not something like that, I have a very settled business or something. I am struggling. I'm trying to work hard. I'm trying to build something. But before this video turns into a motivational video, I really wanted to make a point. I'm getting a lot of calls and people are like, sir, बस मेरी PR लग जाए. लग गई PR, क्या करोगे अब? हो गई. मैं कहता हूँ तुम्हारी PR लग गई, अब क्या करना है, right? Do you think that jobs are waiting for you, businesses are lying there for you to just dollars are lying there on the road, you will just pick them up? No. Life is going to be hard, trust me. Right now you're sitting in comfort zone. Life in Canada is not at all easy. Talk to an international student, you will get to know what a struggle it is. Right now, though, we wake up in the morning, mom is preparing tea for you, right? Your wife is preparing tea for you, and you don't have to worry about anything, and everything is sorted. It is not going to be the same there, okay? So do proper course research. I am on a mission to build the world's first career focused study abroad consultancy, Okay, I really want to revolutionize how this market works. I don't want to focus on your visa. I have told a couple of students to stay back in India, that they are doing very well in India. They should not be considering to go to Canada at this time. I have told them, okay, and I might just tell that to you as well, right? So because I have just researched for years and I have just researched for months, right? I am giving you this opportunity, that there's a link to the Facebook group down there. Join that Facebook group. In the Facebook group you will see the very first post of mine, in which I have basically posted that you guys just tell me your profile and I will list down 5 course options for you. Okay, follow that, and just write down your profile there. I will list out 5 options for you. If you want to apply through me, apply through me. If you want to apply through any other consultant, apply through any other consultant. If you want to apply through yourself, go for it, right? No problem at all. But let's do proper course research. If your course is relevant, if you are serious about your career, you will get a good IELTS score as well, right? You will be able to justify these things in your SOP as well. You will get your visa. When you will get your visa, when you will finish your course, you will get a good job as well. Okay, we are working hard, our parents are working hard, we have to give them the return, we have to give ourselves the return. Okay, so thank you very much. And I'm so sorry if this turned into a motivational lecture. I have that thing as well. I might do it one day when if you guys help me become successful one day. So I might just do that. But for now, what I want is that try to understand whatever I just told, and particularly the students who want to go after 10 plus, to watch this video 5 times. Okay, just watch it so that this thing gets into your head. भाई मिल जाएगी पीआर दी टेंशन ना लो यार, हर कोई हो जाता है पीआर. ठीक है, the success is not owning an iPhone, success is not driving a good car. Trust me, it is not. When you own these things, then you will realize that okay, you don't give a damn about all those things. Success is way 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 beyond all these things. Okay, so thank you very much, and have